So here's today's project. This is Majoras Mask. It's gonna have see-through horns, the spikes, and they're gonna be, I'm gonna add LED lights. And so far, I've only done the back to make it look like wood. Now I'm using two different colors to do that. I'm using Wicked Colors Detail Raw Umber. This is the main brown that you see. I just don't spread it evenly. That way it gives different shades. And then I finish it off with this Detail Burnt Orange. And that gives it different hues, different shades that makes it look more like natural wood, in my opinion. Working on two masks, that one and this one. They're not identical, which is the way I like it. Next I have to finish, well, I have to start painting the front. And then they will get these clear resin horns or spikes. They'll go all the way around, and LED lights will go inside. So should finish out the next few days.